Hello students, this is an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School CBSC. This is an online audio and video lessons. I am Ms. Madhumita Tarafdar from Set Vidya Mandir English High School going to teach you chapter 5 of computers for standard 5, topic flowcharts. So this is the first part of the video. So let's go with the chapter. Okay, now first of all let me explain you what is a algorithm. So students, before we make any program, if we in computer, whenever you are typing a program, whether it is in computer or something else, suppose you are making a building, if you are making a building also, you need to make some steps in your mind. You are supposed to follow some steps in your mind that's to make a building or to make a program. That steps is known as algorithm, and if you write down that steps, that is known as algorithm. So algorithm is a finite set of instruction that should be followed to perform a specific task. So if you want to perform a specific task, first of all, whatever steps you are writing down, you're jotting down, that is known as algorithm. So before writing any program, that is before typing any program, we always write the steps, how to start a program and how to process it and how to find the result. So this, from the start point to the end point, is known as algorithms. These steps are known as algorithms, and there are some finite set of instructions. These are because we cannot write unlimited points. There should be a limited point and it should be very logical. And that is why it is known as algorithm. So if you go with the algorithm, means it is actually, if you suppose you have bought something, some furniture you have bought, and that furniture has came in the form of it is in demolded state. If it has came and you want to make the furniture at home, so for that you have to follow some instructions. So that instructions which you are following is known as algorithm. Here in computer, if you are writing the instructions, that is known as the algorithm. So hope you have understood what is algorithm. For example, I'm showing you what is an algorithm. See, this is an example. I have written some points how to make a tea. Suppose you are making tea, a cup of tea. What are the steps you need to make that tea? There are some finite steps that you should follow. Everyone follow for making a tea. That is, we should first of all, what we are going to do? First we will take a pan. Then we will be switching on the gas and putting the pan on the gas. And after that we will be going to add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk, and then we will boil the mixture. After that you will add some sugar and some tea in the mixture, and again you will boil it, and once the tea is made, you are going to switch off the gas, and after that you take a cup and strain the tea. Okay, that is, you strain the tea and then you will be serving the tea. So this step by step written process is known as algorithm. So this is the algorithm to make a tea. So this way, if you are, so these are the steps which you are following to make a tea. This is known as algorithm. So this way, if you are writing the steps for making a program, that is known as algorithm. So these are algorithms. The algorithm are finite set of instruction that you should follow to perform some special task or a specific task. After the algorithm, here comes the flow chart. What is a flow chart? A flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm or a program. What is a diagrammatic representation? Okay, suppose you are studying science, and in that, if teacher give you explanation, that is the theoretical part, as well as a diagram, if she makes a diagram and give you, which is more easy to understand? Yeah, diagram is more easy to understand. Why? Because a diagram, by seeing it you can say it what are the things which are happening, rather than studying or rather than learning something by theoretically if you are learning anything, and by diagrammatically if you are learning anything, it's more easy for the brain to understand the diagrammatic part. Though the same thing, the algorithm is a step that is written form, whereas flowchart is the diagrammatic representation of the algorithm. So whatever algorithm you have written, that same algorithm is designed using some diagrams are there, some the symbols are there that you have to use, and you have to make the flow chart. So this symbols are very easy for us to represent a program. So that is why flow charts are made. The flow charts are made to represent the program easily, so that we can understood it by seeing it. Once we by seeing the flow chart only, you will be able to understand it. So hope students understood this much. In the next part I will be showing you the flow chart. Okay, so till then, thank you and have a nice day.